many a times actresses, they're having like say very insignificant roles in movies. They're just doing item songs and stuff like that. But the moment the movie is a hit and it becomes a hit movie for them as such.
Especially when you're working with the Khans and like even Akshay Kumar, and it's very easier for any actress because you don't really have to do much. The focus is on them.
Is Viva 2 happening in future?
कोई नहीं चाहेगा कि लाइफ में उनका विवाह दोबारा होना, मतलब विवाह सिर्फ एक ही बार होना चाहिए. आई थिंक दैट्स द फाइनल एम्बिशन.
मेरे को आपका चेहरा देख के मेरा सारा काम सफल हो जाता है. आपके चेहरे में गॉड देखता हूँ.
अरे बाप रे अल्पेश, ये क्या कह दिया आपने यार.
मतलब भगवान आप नजर आता है आपके
यार
अंदर.
ये क्या. Hey, this is me, Amrita Rao, and you're watching me on Bollywood's #1 online entertaining portal, Bollywood Hungama, of course. Keep watching.
This is by Anek Gandhi, and he says that is she happy with the way her career has turned out compared to the other heroines who entered the industry after her? And that is one question which is valid because जिस तरीके की fan following आपकी है,
जी.
and considering the kind of the body of work that you've done,
जी.
your fans are waiting for that one super hit and
Expecting
from
more.
Amrita Rao. Absolutely.
Well, Anek, good question. I think if you ask me if I'm happy with my career or not, I would say yes, I'm very happy with my career because the films have always come my way. And in your career, what happens is when you don't have a godfather and when you're spearheading almost all the departments that come along with the territory of being an actress on your own, there's a lot of responsibility and you make mistakes. Like in my career, I've always been very more than choosy, been very careful about the kind of films that I wanted to say yes to. मैंने कभी भी आज तक किसी भी फिल्म को पहले ऑफर में हाँ मैं कर रही हूँ ऐसे नहीं बोला, except for Shyam Benegal for Welcome to Sajjanpur.
I think good that you did that.
Yeah, that is the only film. Otherwise, the biggest of directors who've come my way, I've always asked them for one day that can you just allow me to sink in the whole opportunity and get back to you.
Absolutely.
Flops, hits, wrong moves, saying yes, no to a film that may be a regret is something that's part of life. Nobody can be so perfect all the time, but what's really fantastic for me is that this journey has been very smooth as compared to so many people who want to enter Bollywood. I have not seen rejection, I have not seen failure at audition, I have not seen criticism by media or audiences saying that she's a bad actress or what is she doing here, which was my worst fear. So to find a name and place for myself is my big achievement. To do work within my comfort parameters is the most important thing for me. And I am not competing with A, B and C because I am not them. So I'm very happy in the space I am.
One question that I've always had from you, Amrita, is that it's a very ruthless industry actually. That hit hai to fit hai, and people follow anyone. Many a times actresses, they're having like say very insignificant roles in movies. They're just doing item songs and stuff like that. But the moment the movie is a hit and it becomes a hit movie for them as such.
Correct.
Now in that context, have you missed the entire
space?
That space and that entire thing that goes with it, with the media blades?
Well, when you're working with a superstar, and especially when you're working with the Khans and like even Akshay Kumar, and it's very easier for any actress because you don't really have to do much. The focus is on them. Right. They have to do all the hard work in that back and bone breaking action. You just come, sing and dance to some mind-blowing item numbers or hit songs, and you get the benefit of it, which is good. But if that happens to me, it'll be really nice. But if it doesn't happen to me, I'm not really missing anything.
Quite a few people have asked Deepti Arvind, is she doing the Gayatri Devi film for Shyam Benegal? Quite a few people have asked that.
That was in the pipeline, but Mr. Shyam Benegal has a lot of commitments, personally and professionally as well. He was a member of the parliament, and I think he's in a stage where he is doing like streamlining a lot of things in his personal life and professional life. So when that happens, that happens.
But there is a possibility. You've been offered that film?
At present, I'm not really sure because it was just a concept that we spoke about once and we thought that it would be very interesting to make a film like that. But and we've not really dwelled upon that.
Okay, I hope that happens because Shyam Managar is a fantastic storyteller, in fact. Now I'll take a few questions in a fast forward manner because there are too many of them, and if I miss out, then मेरी तो खैर नहीं होने वाली है. Meet, is Viva 2 happening in future?
Meet is. Why do you want विवाह 2 to happen in future? मतलब कोई नहीं चाहेगा कि लाइफ में उनका विवाह दोबारा होना. मतलब विवाह सिर्फ एक ही बार होना चाहिए. I think that's the final ambition.
Okay. Shalabh, in Jolly LLB, is she playing an advocate?
In Jolly LLB, I'm not playing an advocate. I'm playing a school teacher. I'm completely out of the arena of law and courts and all of that. Hopefully that'll be new.
Sushil Sutar, I'm from Jaipur. My question is, what is the difference between your Poonam, Bitto's character and Satyagrah's character? You're doing Satyagrah with Prakash Jha.
Yes. There's a world of a difference. They're completely two different people, two different backgrounds, and everything right from their styling to the way they talk is different.
A few of them, they've really gloated about you, and I don't know, but I'll still take it because I think it's cute. It's Alpesh Rana. मेरे को आपका चेहरा देख के मेरा सारा काम सफल हो जाता है. आपके चेहरे में गॉड देखता हूँ. प्लीज़ डोंट माइंड. इस मेल का रिप्लाई मिले तो मेरे पास बहुत सारी बातें शेयर करने के लिए हैं जिससे मेरे मन को शांति मिलती है. अगर आपको दूसरे को खुशी देखकर अपने को खुशी मिलती है, इसे समझते हैं तो वही सही है. दिस इज अल्पेश राणा.
अरे बाप रे अल्पेश, ये क्या कह दिया आपने यार.
मतलब भगवान आप नजर आता है आपके
यार
अंदर.
ये क्या. All I can say unfortunately is thank you, a very heartfelt thank you, because इतना आपने कह दिया. मैं इस मतलब मैं क्या कहूँ, सिर्फ थैंक यू ही इन्वेंट किया है अंग्रेज़ी शब्द में, बट दिस इज़ हार्टफेल्ट. थैंक यू सो मच.